Someone asked about my Zippo collection, so here it is. Few just chrome finish, mainly brushed. One street chrome, then couple of navy Zippos. 55, yeah, it was from 55 Canon mouse gun. Advertisement Zippo from the 70s, UNEF Zippo, finish, couple Marlboros, then Canadian Assiniboine Navy Zippo, 337 replicas, antique silver. Can't remember that one. My only slim 85 was to make year, if I remember correctly. And lizard, hidden spider, BMW, one street chrome, then brassed, polished, brushed, couple brushed ones, 50th anniversary Playboy, Harley Davidson, another Davidson black, neon skull, Day of the Dead, the chrome version, and the yellow lemon, I think it was. Brass spade skull, Death black matte, American hardcore, pirate, the Creed one, carried that one a long time, Black Crackle, Biohazard, eyeballs, Voodoo. If you have seen Mad Bad Voodoo's real life series, this was something I just need to have. Police line, do not cross, and the sapphire blue, and then there is Royal Flush, and now I have been carrying the Heart Attack. Mainly, first it was mainly for Christmas, but it's kind of stuck. So here they are, all 42.